Hi. Okay, in this video we are going to show how we are going to tune the communication frequency on the AW139 using the MCDU and the direct frequency selection. When we adjust it here, which will be displayed on the PFD. Alright, so first we are going to go start off with the MCDU. So before that, I would like to show what does this radio master do. Okay, so this is on, off and on. So when we off it, you can see the changes here. Okay, COM2 goes off, COM2 and NEF1 goes off over the other side, copilot side. Okay, so when I put the radio master to on, so all COM1 and 2 and NEF1 and 2 comes on. Okay, so now let's look at how we are going to do it via the MCDU. Okay, now when the MCDU is initially powered on, this is the page that we'll be able to see, NEF IDEN page. Alright, so to go to the radio page, see the radio button. Okay, press it and we will have the radio page. Okay, and this is COM1 and this is COM2, so we can make the adjustment via this knob. Okay, so you can see the numbers moving. So the thicker scroller is for the before the decimal numbers, and the smaller scroller is for the fine numbers on the right side of the decimal. Okay, so let's say we tune it to, now currently at present the green one is the active, so let's say we tune it to 1, 2, 3 maybe, just for tuning sake. Alright, then we can select this and the 1, 2, 3 becomes the active selection now, and the 118 becomes the standby. So when we want to select another, we want to tune to another frequency, we can tune it on the standby section, and we can activate it. So 127 becomes green and the 123 becomes standby. So it's the same procedure for COM2. So if you can see, this is the line select key, so we want to switch between active and standby. So if we want to tune to a different frequency, we select the second key and scroll it like how it was mentioned before. Okay, scroll to the frequency that we want, then we active it, so the green becomes the active frequency and the white is the standby frequency. Okay, now let's take a look at the direct selection, which will be on the PFD. Okay, so on the PFD, if we see this control panel, there will be display select. So this is the left hand display select. Left hand display select means the MFD. Okay, the MFD, and the right hand. So on the MFD, once we select the left hand, this is what we are able to do with the scroll knob. Okay, we can as you can see, we can use the cursor, this cursor, to move this. Okay, so for radio frequency direct tuning, we select it to the right hand on the pilot side, right hand. So the moment we select, you can see the box. See the box? Okay, the moment we select right hand, the box, the COM box comes activated. Okay, and using the cursor, we can select which COM or nav we want to tune. Okay, so now let's say I select to COM 2. So as you can see, the green is the active frequency at present and the white is the standby frequency. So I make a selection now on the standby frequency using this knob. Okay, this knob. So you can see the numbers are moving. So as I mentioned earlier, the smaller knob is for the fine tuning, the fine numbers which are on the right side of the decimal, and the big knob is for the digits left side of the decimal. Okay, so now I select to 125 on my standby, then I enter. Okay, this is the enter button. As I enter, you see what happens. See what happens. So the active and standby frequency got transferred. I enter again. Okay, I enter again. Alright. Okay, that is for COM 2. So it's the same procedure for COM 1, COM 2, or nav. Okay, so it's going to be the same procedure. Thank you.